Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome again to yet another edition of Software Training. Today, I'll be looking at ArcGIS or ArcMap. So, if you have the software installed on your laptop or desktop, the next thing you need to do is to open it. You can either search for it here, ArcGIS. You see it, ArcMap. Click on it, or if it's on your desktop, you double click on it. So, ArcGIS software. So it shows the 2D of maps and different things, and that's why ArcGIS Pro came for the 3D. So now it's my software is open. The next thing I need to do whenever this window pops up, what you see here is the recent files you worked on. You see these are the recent files I've worked on. If I want to open any, I can just click and open, but for now I want to start a new project, so it means I need to cancel. I've cancelled it. So now this is the interface, the graphical user interface of the ArcGIS. So for that reason, we know like all other software, we have the menu, the file, edit, the view. You see the bookmark, insert. You can insert your data frame, text, picture, everything. So, and geoprocessing. You can customize your toolbars. You can search for your toolbars here. These are your toolbars. These are your toolbars. The snapping, the drawing, the editor. So if you come to customize toolbars, you can activate anyone, the 3D analyst, advanced editing editor. You can just click on anyone. Extension also, if you click on extension, it will, when you first install the software, ensure you click on customize extension. So if you look at it, check everything here. When you check everything, you can close. So after that, the same thing, you add everything. So after adding all this, so with time we are going to learn more about them, how to add toolbars and other things. So for now, the most important thing is, like any other software, ensure you know how to connect your folder, the folder where all your files are, the files you want to be working with and where you want to save your work. Ensure you know how to connect your folder, that's the catalog. So that's why if you watch here, you have table of contents here. So for us to do something like that, you see here we have catalog here as one of the toolbars. You see catalog. So and I have here again catalog in the right hand side here where the mouse is catalog. You see when I touch, you see catalog. So if you didn't see catalog here or here, what you need to do, just click on catalog, click on it. So it has popped up on the right here. So what I need to do, you see folder connection. Right now I have no folder connected. What I need to do, I need to connect a folder. So the next thing I have to do, you see all these things up here. You can come to this, go to home band. So you see, go to default geodatabase. Come here, you see connect to folder. So I want to connect a folder or a disk drive where I want to save the work I'm doing and where the folders I want to work with are saved. So just left click on this, connect to folder. Now I need to choose where my folder is. So for now, my folder is on my desktop. So I just need to click desktop. I search for it. You see, I search for it. GIS training folder. This is the folder I want to be working on. I want, here is where all my files are. Click on it. Click OK. So now you see folder connection. See, user scaling desktop GIS training folder has been connected. So if I click on the plus sign at the back of the folder, you see these are all the files I have in other folders, admin boundaries, noticed everything. Just click and open anyone. So you see these are all chiefdoms. So that's it. So for now, how can we add data? If we have the data, we've connected our folder. How can we add data to display here? We have several options. We can either use this insert. We can use this here, this add data, this plus sign here, this here, add data. click on the drop down arrow, add data, or you can come to file, add data. You see, so you have different data. You have xy data. So if you have coordinates in Excel CSV file format, we can add xy data. If we have shape files, then we can just come to add data, click on it. Now it's asking us, so you see, look in, we have desktop ArcGIS. No, this is not the folder where our informations are. We can still come here. Remember, connect to folder, connect, go to desktop. I search for the GIS. See, GIS training, yes, okay. So now because I've connected the GIS training, I can just come here and look for it. See, here is the folder GIS training. So these are the other subfolders I have in there. I want to, let me say, I just want to come up with the admin boundary. Just click on it, add district, the chiefdom, the district 2017, add, and wait, so you see, I've added a data. So now you can zoom out, roll out your mouse. So just left click, click the middle mouse button, click and hold and pan it. So now you see the exact color that are here. We are seeing also the same color here. If you want to change this, just click here and click on hollow. If you want the outline to be thick, you add it to apply. So you see white and the outline. If you don't like that, you can give it yellow, no problem. So you see, that's how you do. It depends on what you want to do. It depends on what you want to do. So you see, so now we have, we don't know the names. All of these shape files have, these polygons have names. So how do we go about labeling them? So you come here, just right click on this, go go to open attribute in the first place, left click to select, and right click, go to open attribute table. So the attribute table, what we see, FID shape, it's a polygon shape. District, the first district is Faraba. If you click here, Faraba has been selected. You see, if you click the second one, Moyamba also will be selected. You see, so that's how it works. If you want to deselect, just click at the top here. So you see, now under district, you can label or you see northern region, east west, no problem. Click on X. So now, how are we going to label? Right click on this, go to properties at the bottom. So you see, you want to label, right click, go to properties at the bottom. So now we have, so you see, we have general, the name, you can change the name from here. We have source, source. So the folder where it is saved, the geometry type is the polygon, the geographic coordinate system here, WGS 1984. You can do selection, display, everything. But we want to label. You see label here, click on label. After clicking on label, we have label feature in this layer. Yes, check this box. After checking it, come here, label field. From the attribute table, we have FID, district, region. So any name we want to pop up, we can select it. So select on district. After that, apply, click OK. So you see the district names have appeared. So you see, you label it that. So that's why before you start labeling, ensure you right click, go to attribute table to know the names, the name of the head. You have district, region. So now let's go and label it by region. Right click, go to properties. You see, come to labels, go to label field, region, apply. You see eastern region. So you see east. All of these polygon have names based on. So this is how you add. If you want to add again, you can. Now let's use this instead of the file. Click on the drop down arrow, add data here. We don't want to add this. Click here, open a folder. Let's say we want to add. Let's say we want to add other settlements. Yes, major towns here. add major towns. So you see these are the major towns. If you want to label the major towns again, right click on it, open the attribute table and watch. You see NAM, or we can say TXT. One of these two can give us the name. Okay, so now what we do, right click, go to properties, labels. You see, check this box, come here, NAM, yes, apply. Okay, so you see each and every point major town have been labeled. So you see we have the northern province, the major town in the northern province. So now let's change this again, label it again to district. Right click, go to properties, label, here go to district, apply. So now if you watch Tonkolili district, we have Matutuka, Masingbe and Yonibana, Yile. So these are the major towns, Bumbuna. These are the major towns in the Tonkolili district. Western area, we have Western area, rural Waterloo, we have Hastings, we have Laka, Godrich, Juba. So this is how you can add data and ensure you label them. So thank you very much for the video, not to be long. So we are going to stop here. Next video I will show you how to extract polygons, how to, if you want to work in this area, how to extract only the study area, work on it. Thank you very much.